Morning, everybody. It's 8:38 on Thursday, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1423. Okay, it's Thursday, so we have claims, and initial claims were down 2,000 at 243,000. Continuing claims down about 12,000 at 1.415 million. But the big uh, number today is the second look at GDP. Expectations were for minus zero point 0.5. There were even some people saying that, it was going to reverse from minus to plus. It came in at minus 0.6%. So a tenth of a percent better than last time, but nowhere near positive, and frankly, a miss on estimates. We had uh, the PCE, which is the price index. That was a huge miss and negative. It was 8.7 last time around. They were looking for a number lower than that, and it came in at 8.9, the highest number since 1981. Core PCE exactly unchanged at 4.4%. This is one of those good news is bad news as far as I'm concerned, only because our positions right now are basically long in copper, silver, and oil, all of which were higher and all of which are less than higher. Not up as much as they were. We'll have to see whether or not they come back. They have been bouncing around, especially the oil. Yesterday's smaller than expected drawdown sent prices sharply lower quickly, and then they bounced back just as quickly. So we'll have to see. Tesla 3-to-1 split today, and it's 302 up about 490. Peloton yesterday 1345 up 20% on the Amazon news. Today they had earnings overnight, 1140 down 208 or 15%. Questions about quality, questions about overbuilding inventory, all weighing on this stock, and we'll have to see. On the lower end of the consumption side, we had earnings from Dollar General and Dollar Tree. They came in differently, but the stocks acted the same. Dollar Tree with a miss, 153.12 down 1286 or 7.7%. Dollar General with a beat, 241.90, also down 5.55, 2.3%. And Abercrombie and Fitch, a horrendous report. You know, I keep laughing about how great the consumer is, and yet these apparel related retailers have gotten smacked repeatedly. Today, Abercrombie and Fitch 16.15 down $2.50 or just under 14%. So, not as great as they would have you believe. Splunk also with a beat, decent guidance, 99.41 down almost 11 or 9.9%. The futures were higher, Dow up about 85, Nasdaq up 80, S&P up 22 before those numbers came out. Right now, the Dow is only up 43. The S&P is currently up about $17, and the Nasdaq is up about 64. The big weakness in the Dow is CRM, Salesforce. They reported last night, and when I did the closing comment last night, the stock was 167 and change, and that was down $8. Right now, CRM is substantially below that. It's trading 166.40, and that's down 1361 or a little over 7.5%. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Oh, the nat gas numbers inventory comes out at, I believe, 10:30. So be on the watch for that. As far as the futures go, as I mentioned, um, things were higher. Now they're not. Oil is down 2 cents after, I mean, it wasn't up tremendously, but it was up about 60 cents. So high was 95.75, 95.76, and the last is 94.87. So almost $1 off the high. The silver was the same way. Silver up 15 right now, but it was 20 cents higher than that, so it was up 35 cents. The one that seems to be holding, though, is the copper. We're also long that. The high was 370.09, and the last is 369.60, so that one's holding pretty well. The dollar is slightly lower. Bitcoin and Ethereum either side of unchanged, and the bonds on those numbers down 10/32, or roughly 3/8. Have a good day. Be careful out